Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today we are looking at the last issue from the 2014 ImagineFX magazines, and this is what we actually started this year with, looking at this cover. So we finished where we started, and what I like about this is how, I said it at the time, the background's blurry, so the character's popping. But this one's going to be all about creature design, which should be exciting. Last week we looked at this one, which was all about game art, but it wasn't really as much game art as I thought. But I'll put links and everything in the description to all the previous issues. But my favourite cover so far has been this one, issue 108, May 2014, and I've got to say that's my winner for the year. But what I'll do in the next week, I'll do a video looking at all the issues together, talk about my favourite covers and stuff. But this has got to be my favourite one. But this cover's cool. But I more like the character than the cover, to be honest. I think the composition's a little bit boring, but the character is cool, and I love characters. So little Penny the Piggy's with us. She's having fun. She's enjoyed this one. She has this year. But look, Claire, our friend. So she gets a little kiss, which that's James Gurney, isn't it? Is that James Gurney's done one like that? I remember seeing a James Gurney look like that. Imagine if James Gurney looked like that. Sketchbook looks good, full of faces. We like faces. Look at that there as well. Yeah, this looks cool. We're going to have lots of creatures in here. These are the videos. We don't do the videos anymore at the moment. This is FX Pose, which is, I've got to say, FX Pose this year has been absolutely amazing. Look at it again, look. The quality of this has been, oh, I like her. Girls with guns is, for me, like the favourite thing. Girls with guns, sexy it is. Adverts, oh, that's another thing. Hey look, that's Rosberg. Rosberg and is that Rosberg? No, it's Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton and his little Mercedes. I love Formula 1. One of the good things about this year is there's not been many adverts. Because in 2013 they started putting loads of adverts in. But I've actually enjoyed, I got one of those on my bookshelf. I've actually enjoyed the fact that there hasn't been as many adverts, which I think is quite nice, because you pay quite a lot for these issues. So, yay! Jesper's art studio. Look, he's got 2 separate desks. That's what I've done now. I've got his traditional, well, yeah, he has. Traditional desk, digital desk. I've always thought that, look, I like the amount of light he's got coming in. Guy's got lots of windows everywhere. Alone in the dark. Our little letters. Less Photoshop. I would like to say I love your magazine. However, I find myself disappointed because it's always about Photoshop. That's what I said in one of the previous issues this year. They started doing things about Manga Studio, like Clip Studio Paint, and I thought that was quite nice. Because not everybody uses Photoshop. So it's nice that they cover other things as well. How can I depict a person's face made of glass? These artists cute. This will be all creatures great and small. Is this? Oh yeah, look. Look. All the humans are there, but these things aren't bothered. Friendly giant. Oh, cool. They're brilliant, aren't they? Little, yay, Bobby Chiu. what I love about Bobby is how his characters are sort of fat and squidgy. I like that feeling of these characters. Oh, this article here is brilliant. It's looking at loads of different artists, creatures, and then we got Wes Burt's sketchbook. I've sketched that one before. It's always weird when I see an image that I've sketched, because you almost feel like they've actually copied you. For a moment you think, oh, they've copied me, but high-res studio. That's quite funny, that. Cupid. Little workshop. This one and this one excites me the most. Improve your creature art. Look, it starts out like that. It's the background being blurry that I like about that one. Applying finishing touches in 3D. Master light in Photoshop. I like her sexy little pose with her finger. I like the colour of that one. Look like a bit sort of mysterious. Turn an idea into sci-fi art. Slap that bum. That's what we say. Give your 3D art a unique look. Plasticky. Looks like it's made of plastic. Comic art. That's how they're going to start next year. So 2015 is going to start with comic art. That's going to be quite fun. Look at this, look, loads of thumbnails everywhere. Look, they're all like squigglies as well. This is one I'd like to read and do on the podcast. Yeah, this would be a beautiful one for an article. Going into the reviews now. I always like to see what books they're reviewing. The Art of John, The Art of Jim, Jim and John, Blade Runner. Graphic LA. Still got the sexy fantasy illustration paper. What was this one done in? This was done in oils. How mad is that? That was done in oil paints. Spiritual. Doodlers. The Doodlers of Singapore. Focus on the face. I can't believe how detailed people can get paint. Especially when they're doing watercolours. Hey, little Jamesy, look, making a reference. Moquette. Look, he's got some sort of dragonfly thing. He's actually made that, hasn't he? A James Gurney. What would you? And that's it. First impressions. Pop. And there are no more issues left because we've looked at them all for 2014. What a brilliant year that was. I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll put links and everything in the description to all the previous issues. But next week I'm going to just do a quick little video looking at all of them, talking about my favourite issues, articles and covers and things. So I hope you enjoyed that. Little Penny will be back with us, and I shall see you later for another one.